Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will make you to solve one of the string related coding problem in the Python, so that if there any question in this model in the any one of the programming context, you can easily solve it. Now here the problem statement is, so we need to write the Python program to replace every nth index position character in the string. Now here the problem statement, so given a string, the task is to write a Python program to replace every nth index position of the character in a string by the given value x. So for example, if you are going to take one input, here welcome to the Python is the Python coding is the input. So for this input string, if you are going to take x is hash, that means here we are taking the hash is the value that we need to replace within the any one of the character in the string based upon the n value. Here the n value is 3, that means in the string whatever the characters that are available in the particular string, the index position which is divisible by the n, in that particular index position we need to replace hash and we need to place it in that particular character. For example, here in this particular string the n value is 3, n value 3 in the sense within the third index position, instead of c we need to replace it with the help of hash, as well as, so that means instead of c you will get hash here, and as well as if you are going to consider the index positions which are divisible by the 3, so here 6 is the index position which is divisible by 3, 9 is the index position which is divisible by 3, as well as 12, 15, 18, 21. So in these index positions whatever the characters that are available, so instead of that characters we need to replace them with the help of hash. That means here also you will get hash, and in this position also you will get the hash. Like that, here if you are going to give n value is 3 and the x value is hash, means so the index position in the string which is divisible by 3, in that index position we have to replace all the characters with hash. So due to that reason only the output for the given string is, well, within the C we are getting hash, OM within the E position we are getting hash. Like that, whatever the index position which is divisible by 3, in that index position we need to replace with the hash character. As well as if we are going to take the second input, here the string is same, welcome to the Python coding, but here the character that we are taking here is somewhat different. Here the x character is $, and the n value is 5. That means the index position which is divisible by the 5, in that index position you have to replace this $. So here for this example, within the 5th index position, instead of m we need to replace with the dollar, as well as 10 which is divisible by 5, so that within this 10th index position also we need to replace it with the help of $, as well as 15th index position, 20th index position, so that the output will be in this format. So for this we need to write the code. Let me try to explain the code now. So now let me try to remove the editing related content. Here if you are going to observe the code, the string that we are taking in the input underscore string with the help of input function. So whatever the string that we are going to take, if the string is welcome to Python coding, means that will be available in the input string. So within this input string you will get welcome to Python coding, as well as within the x you will get the input character. So here I am taking hash, that will be available in the x, as well as n, in which index position we need to replace this character. So for example, the index position in the string which is divisible by the 3, so within that index positions we need to replace with the character hash. So now here in this n you will get the 3. Now in order to get the output, I am taking one output string variable which is of the type of string. It is initially empty string, and here if you are going to observe, the entire logic of this program is available in this particular for and enumeration block. So here we are using the for loop along with the enumeration iterations. So here we are enumerating the input string, for the index value and the letter corresponding to the each and every letter which is available in the input string. Here for the first iteration, if you are going to consider welcome to Python coding is the string, the starting index position will start from 0 and the ending index position will be 23. Now in the first iteration with respect to the 0 index position, within the index you will get 0, and within the letter with respect to the zero index position, the letter that we are getting here is W. Like that, in the second iteration you will get first index position, that corresponding letter E. So if you are going to take the first iteration, within the first iteration you will get zero index position as well as the letter will be W. Now with respect to the zero index position and letter W, if you are going to enter into the enumeration loop, here if index modulo divisible by n equal to 0, here the n value is 3, index value is 0, 0 modulo divisible by 3 in the sense you will get 0 only. Here condition is true, but unfortunately here index should not equivalent to 0, but here index is 0. Within the first iteration the index is 0, 0 not equivalent to 0 means here condition fails, so that we need not to enter into the if condition. Try to go to the else block. Within the else condition, here for the output string is initially empty. For that string we are adding that letter. What is the letter? Within the zero index position the letter that is available is W. That means within the output the first letter that we are going to get here is W. Now if we are going to iterate this for loop one more time, within the index, the next index that we are going to get here is 1. With respect to the one index position, the value that we are going to get here is E. Now with respect to the one index position and E, if you are going to execute if condition, one index position modulo divisible by n in the sense you will get 3. So 1 modulo divisible by 3 in the sense you will get 1. 1 is not at all equivalent to 0, so that condition fail, we need not to enter into the if condition. Go to the else block. For the output, within the output the value that is available is W. For the W we are appending the one index position related value, that is nothing but E. So like that, if you are going to iterate the for loop one more time, so within the next enumeration, within the next iteration you will get index position 2. With respect to that index position the letter that will be L. Now 2 modulo divisible by 3 in the sense you will get 2. 2 is not at all equivalent to 0, so that we should not enter into the if condition. Try to go to the else block. Within the else block, for the output we are trying to append that letter which is available in the second index position, that is nothing but L. Now if you are going to iterate the for loop one more time, now the next time the index position that we are getting here is 3 and that corresponding letter is C. Now if index position 3 modulo divisible by n 3, 3 modulo divisible by 3 in the sense we will get 0, and as well as that 3 is not at all equivalent to 0. Here the if condition is true for the first time, so that we can enter into the if block, we need not to enter into the else block. Within the if condition, for the output we are appending x value, not the letter of that particular string, we are appending the x value. The x value that is available here is hash, so that for this well we are going to add, we are going to concatenate hash. Likewise, if you are going to iterate this entire for loop multiple times with the combination of enumeration, so you will get this required output. Now for the second input also, here the second input, the special character that we are taking here is dollar, and the index positions in the string which are divisible by the 5 within the respective index positions, we need to update the character. The character is dollar sign. So here if you are going to consider 0 1 2 3 4 5, within the fifth index position we are replacing the character, old character that is available is M. Instead of M we are placing dollar sign, and as well as 6 7 white space 7 8 9 10 within the 10th index position. So within the 10th index position, that is nothing but empty space, within that we are including that particular dollar sign. Like that we need to perform the program. I think with this you got the complete idea regarding how to solve this kind of problem. Thank you one and all. If you like my videos, I hope you please do subscribe to my channel. Please inform to your friends, ask them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.